Here I'll show you how to create a new blog post on your Shopify store. So once you log in, you'll be taken to the admin here. To create the blog post, we'll click on Content in the sidebar here, and then Blog Posts. There's two parts of a blog post. So a blog is really just a category of articles. So each blog is really an article, or each blog post is an article, and then a blog is the category of those articles. To create a new blog post, come up here, and we'll just name it Test Blog Post 1. You can add some content here. You can have AI generate it for you. Here you can add an excerpt, and this is basically if you show your blog post anywhere around your site, it will show a sample of the content. Typically defaults just to the content, but you could add a more specific excerpt. Here we can choose which blog category it's assigned to with a blog. Let's create a new one. We'll just call it tips. Here you can change the blog theme template, which I'll show you here in a bit. You can also add a featured image to the blog, and you can keep it hidden if you want it as a draft and not shown, or we can make it visible. To add an image, you can click in here and you can just drag in your own images, have AI generate one, or click an existing image. So we'll save now, and then up here, we'll be able to view our new blog post. See that image come in, and then there's no content. So let's say we want to add that new blog somewhere in our theme menu. To do that, we'll just still under content, we'll click on menus, and then whichever menu you want to add it to, let's say main menu, we'll click in here, and then add menu item. Click in here, and then we'll see blogs, and we'll see tips or tip. Now when we refresh this, we should see it in here now. So you can click in here and see all the blog posts associated to this category. If you want to change the theme design for this blog, just come into the admin, click on Online Store, and then we'll edit our theme in the customizer. To get there, you could just click through to the page, and the customizer will change which theme template we're editing right now. If you weren't there though, or if it's not in the menu or something, you can just click in the top here, and this will show you all of your theme templates for every page type in your store. The main ones are just home, products, collections, and then maybe pages, blogs, and blog post. So click on blog post. We see our default blog post, which just shows the blog post content. And we can see what it looks like for certain blogs by clicking up here. So we have our test 1. By default, it really just shows the featured image, text, and the content, but we could add another section here. So let's say for this specific blog, we want it different than the rest. So we'll make a new blog theme template by clicking up here, then blog post. We'll make a new template. We'll just say second template. It's based on the default one right now. So it'll take all the current settings and copy it over. Now we have this new version. So we'll do add section. You can add anything you want here. Let's just say we want, I don't know, a collections list for this particular blog. So we can click in here. We can choose which collections we want to show. Everything in the store is pretty empty. But let's say this is good. We'll save it. To now assign this theme template to that blog, we'll come back and we'll go into our blog. So we'll go into content, blog post, go into the one we just made, and then do theme template. You should see ours pop up here in a second. Yep, we got second template. So we'll save that. Then now when we open this link here, instead of it just being like how it was before, we'll now see that new section we added. And then for all the other blog posts on the site, like we saw that already existed, they won't be affected by that new style we added. So yeah, that's how you create a new blog post in your store. Just come in here and do add blog post. We did create that tips blog, but let's say we want to delete it. We could go to manage blogs, and then we'll see all of our blogs or categories here. So we could delete this blog. Deleting it will also delete any linked post, so that will delete the one we just made. Come back in here, see that's gone now, and then I think it will automatically leave our menu too. So that's how you delete blogs and articles associated, as well as creating them and editing them. If you have any questions, just comment on this video. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps. Thanks.